Pussy feeling real good right now. Pussy like bald, like really bald right now. Like because I just be keeping that shit so bald and so that should be so wet. So oh my, you know what? Hey yo, shout out to my bad.
1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix it all together. Divide into 12 and place on a prepared baking sheet at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Boom.
I thought more people knew about this, which is why I've never talked about it in a video, but now that I've received a bunch of comments from people saying I'm lying in my videos or being dramatic for the sole purpose of views, I guess I'll talk about it. I live in Canada, a place where the Creator Fund does not exist, so regardless of how many views I get, whether it's 1 million or 10 million, I get no money off of it. And I'm honestly okay with it because I never get stressed over views, and the sole purpose of any video that I post is to make people happy.
Boyfriend does tiny baking, making a tiny cake. 8 wee spoons of cake mix. He spills. Okay. Eat egg. 3 wee spoons of egg. Half a wee spoon of oil. Wee spoon of milk. Mix. Oh, part 2 is up.
Let's make my mom a birthday cake. Since my birthday's before my mom's, I always let her choose my birthday cake. I really don't mind what I get, and she likes to try a new flavor every year. In return, for her birthday, she lets me bake her cake. She usually has a request that I try to fulfill, and this year it was a cheesecake. I usually try to surprise her with the design, and this year I saw a design on YouTube, I think by the YouTuber Patrichoro, where she made a koi pond mousse cake, and I decided to try and recreate that with the cheesecake. I didn't have white bean paste like she used in the video, so I decided to make the fish and rocks out of dango. I think it turned out pretty well for what I had on hand, and my mom really liked it.
Guys, you need to make this. 4 Oreos, 1/4 cup milk, smash, keep smashing. Now, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Stir. Then you're gonna want to put 1 Oreo in there and sink it below and have it covered with that stuff. Microwave 1 minute.
Are you still buying cookies? Oh, no. We make them from scratch. Mint chocolate chip cookies for St. Patrick's Day. They're green. 3/4 cup unsalted butter, room temperature. 1 1/4 cup sugar. Medium speed, 2 minutes. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon peppermint extract. Use this. Don't use mint. It tastes like toothpaste. Mix. This is how you measure. Makes a huge difference. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Whisk. Sheppy tip, wax paper or parchment paper. Add the flour. You won't have flour all over your kitchen. Funnel it in on low speed. 20 drops green food coloring. 1 cup chopped Andes candy, or you can use that. Plus 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Fold. Silpat or parchment paper. 350-degree oven, 10 to 12 minutes.
Hi guys, my name's Jill, and today I was bored out of my mind, so I decided to make some cake. So I made some chocolate cake, which I took out of the oven with my bare hands, and I made some of this vanilla buttercream, which I used to stack everything up till it was all nice and tall, and once I had that, I crumbled the whole thing in a thin layer of frosting, popped that baby in the fridge to chill, and while it was chilling, I made some of this chocolate buttercream, which I added some of this black food coloring to, so it became this like grayish color, you know? Then I smoothed everything out, and I got this cake comb to make these stripes, but the stripes were too like thin and like close to each other, so I carved out some of the stripes to make them thicker, if that makes sense. You know what I'm talking about? Then I made all of these different colors of buttercream, and I filled them into the gaps of the stripes, and then I smoothed it all out, so I got this like tie-dye effect sort of thing. I don't really know, but like that's what I did. So anyway, then I dripped some white chocolate down the sides. Then with my leftover frosting, I made like a frosting sausage, as I call it. I don't know. Then I made some designs on the top, and I did all the things, and I had my whole cake, and yeah, it was a pretty fun time. So thanks for watching. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.
So this is love. So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. I'm all aglow, and now I know the key to all heaven is mine. My heart has wings, and I can fly. I'll touch every star in the sky. So this is the miracle that I've been.
Esto es chía. Y esto no es chía. Necesitamos media taza. Las semillas de chía son muy chiquitas y hasta parecen huevos de dinosaurio. Leche de almendras, globo con huevo y leche con huevo. Este sonido me hace ir al baño. Son 2 tazations de lechations. Vainilla, nutmeg, esto es nuez moscada, clove o clavo, un poquito de cinnamon. Smells like Christmas. Estoy tratando de bajar esta pancita en 30 días. Recetas todos los días en mi YouTube. Chécalo. Dejamos descansar esta cosa por toda una noche. Luego tomamos un plátano maduro y lo machacamos muy bien. Chécate eso, vomitada. Y lo mezclamos con un poco de esta larva de hormiga o caviar de salmón. Blueberries and raspberries, blackberry, pudín de chía, and you top it off with more berries.
Hey guys, here's a cake I made last week before I went on my trip. It was a chocolate cake with chocolate buttercream. This one seems to be one of my most popular orders, and I don't blame them because chocolate cake is my favorite. I also wanted to say thank you to everyone who follows me and supports me. I finally reached my goal of getting 100,000 followers, and I actually hit it a couple months early. I had a goal for myself in December that I wanted 100,000 followers, so when I saw that I got it over this past weekend, I was so excited and so happy, and I just couldn't believe it. A couple videos back, I mentioned how once I hit 100,000 followers, I would make a course for you guys. So if you guys could leave a comment letting me know what kind of things you want to learn, that'd be awesome, and then I'll get the course started for you guys. Thanks so much to everyone who's following along, and I hope you guys all have a great week.
Let's make chocolate strawberry cheesecake pasta. Add some strawberries to a baking dish, sprinkle liberally with sugar, add a splash of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt and stir to combine. Arrange the strawberries on the outside of the dish, then place a block of cream cheese in the center and sprinkle liberally with sugar again. Then bake in a 400-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Once it comes out, stir it all up to combine. At this point, you can taste the strawberries to see if you need to add any more sugar. Then add some chopped semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate and stir again to combine. Next, we are going to add our chocolate pasta that we made the other day. It's absolutely stunning, if I do say so myself. Make sure you reserve some of the starchy, chocolatey pasta water and add however much of that starchy pasta water you need until you get the sauce consistency that you like. To serve, top with diced fresh strawberries. Definitely a full-on dessert pasta. Well, would you try it?
Okay, fine. Fine, you want to make churros, no problem, but understand these are dangerous.
Small pan, 5 tablespoons butter in, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Heat on high heat.
Make sure it's melted and bring to a boil. Turn off the heat. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon fine sea salt. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Stir.
Till thick with 3 C's. Now let this cool
For 8 to 10 minutes, brother. 3 eggs, one at a time. Egg. Mix. Egg. Had to switch to a whisk. Egg. Mix. And an egg yolk. Mix one more time.
till nice and smooth.
Transfer to a piping bag with a star tip. Heavy bottom pot. Fry oil.
Filled a little over halfway.
It's cinnamon sugar, not that hard. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of, well, cinnamon. Mix together.
Heat to 375.
Pipe 5 to 6 inch pieces. Snip.
It's average churro size, okay?
Repeat.
Fry 4 to 5 minutes. Till golden brown and crispy.
Remove from the oil. Add the cinnamon sugar. Toss while still hot. Repeat with the rest.
Now these are some good looking churros, but now we're talking. Look at
Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose.
Bunny, 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 you're so funny from your head to your toes.
Hippity hop hop, hippity hop hop, you must go your way. Hippity.
Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. Fine lady, your body is unnecessary. See, fine lady, your body is unnecessary. I'm ready. Anything that you want, I'm